Hi guys, and welcome to What's on My Table. And today we're going to unbox this Grenaro wireless microphone. I think this is called the P10 and it's available at a very reasonable price here in India. That would translate to around $20, $20 or $19 if I have to be precise. I've been an avid user of Grenaro products for the last 3 years. I have one of their older models which actually is only a phone wireless device, and I was very impressed with it. Being a part-time actor too, I use the products on all my auditions, and I think I've had people come back asking me, "You got a good voice," and I was quite impressed with the performance of that. And that's the reason why I thought I'll pick up one of these Grenaros along with some of the other flagship brands such as Rode, Saramonic, DJI, and Hollyland. And this is almost a fraction of the price. I think a DJI would cost you nothing less than around $120. And this comes in at such a competitive price, so I thought, why not give this a try? And let's go ahead and open it. As you can see, it says it's got two mics and basically two wireless transmitters and one receiver. And here is the entire product, and it talks about having a dual interface. I think it means having both compatibility with Apple and C-type devices which are made for Android, widely compatible, high definition sound quality, okay, that large capacity battery, we'll know soon, reverb modes, which I'm not a big fan of unless you're doing some singing on it, and then noise reduction mode, which is quite beneficial at times. So let's go ahead and pull this guy out like a table drawer. So we keep this aside here, and as you can see, there is one unit that's packed in a nice white cover. Okay, and we've got a little box here which probably has got some cables. So let's go ahead, keep this aside, and open the main unit. As you can see, the unit looks pretty premium. I really like it. It definitely looks quite interesting, doesn't it? So let's go ahead and open this. Ooh, these things look so cool. I love that mic design. Looks like it's a stereo mic because it's got two of these. Maybe it's a stereo mic. So we've got this, we've got another mic here. And unlike your flagship models where the receiver is in the middle, you've got the receiver on the side. Some kind of different design. I'd welcome it. And the box looks very cute. The design with the white inside, the off-white cream insides, looks like it was inspired by Hollyland's products. So as you can see, this is what it is. I think we'll have to charge it. So these are the transmitters. Okay, they just popped off my hand. I'll take the other one. Got very clear, bright yellow color. So you got pretty clear yellow colored buttons. This probably used to mute the mic. Apart from that, you've got this thing which is totally magnetic, which is very nice. You can just press this and then you can clip it on. No extra magnets required like the other brands. And this doesn't rotate because it's got a little lock because of this, which is quite thoughtful in terms of design. I'd love something like this on such a budget product. So it's definitely nice. On the receiver, we've got clear mention of it being on the receiver. We've got a clear mention of it being the receiver. And then you've got, I think, the battery levels indicated right in the center. And you've got the connectivity to transmitter 1 and transmitter 2. So let's go ahead and try and power this on. Yes, you can see it's powered on. This is the other one, so let's go ahead and power this guy on too. Yeah, there you go, the power's on. And the third one which flew away, he's got it back too, and let's power it on as well. Yes, so this looks pretty good. Do we have any mufflers on it? We'll know soon. So let's go ahead, open this box and see what's inside this. Okay, somewhere here. Ooh, a lot of cables, You can see there are a good number of cables inside this. No dead cat, but that's not a problem. No pouch. Again, it's a budget product. We don't really expect it to come shipped with a pouch. I think these are 2 charging cables, and then there's one single to double charging capable if you want to directly charge these units. I presume they come with a USB port. Yes, right here. And this can be charged too separately. And there's another charging cable just in case you want to charge the unit directly. And of course the TRRS to TRS converter. This is probably used. You can see you've got 2 cables here. One is a USB-C to USB-C, which is used to connect the receiver in case you're using an Android. And you've got a USB-C to an Apple functional cable, which can be used to be connected to Apple devices. And the others are charging cables. One of these cables doubles up as a charging cable for the case, and you've got this for use with a computer. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this review, and we will be doing a sound test of this pretty soon. I feel the battery in this must be really light because it just feels so light, but it still is powered, which is a good thing. Unlike my previous model, which would pull out its power from the phone it's connected to. So I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please go ahead and hit a like on this video and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.